Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to discuss the unpivot transformation in SSIS. So this was the result of pivot transformation. Let me just open this file. So with the help of unpivot transformation we are going to convert columns into rows. So look, these are the columns and we are going to convert it into rows. Okay, so now I'm going to use the unpivot transformation. First of all, I will create a new package. So this is an example of pivot transformation. Now I'm going to create a new package and I'm going to name it. The package name is package 6. I'm going to name it pivot example, unpivot example. Okay, now I will click data flow, click okay. Next I'm going to select the flat file source. Okay, double click flat file manager. I have to create a new flat file manager. Then I'm going to select a file. So which file I'm going to select? This is the file which I'm going to select. So in this file I have this data. The original form of this data is this one. This. Let me just query this again. Let me just get the latest result. So this is the original form. So I'm going to convert this to original form. Convert this data set to original form. So this will be my one column course and these will be my marks. Okay, now close this data set, browse, and I have to select this particular file, pivot example.csv. Okay, format delimited. I have to check this option, column names in the first data row. Columns, these are the columns. Okay, these are the result. Advanced preview. Now advanced student ID is integer data type. Okay, student name, strings, marks, integer, Java marks, integer, networking marks will be integer. Preview, click OK. Columns, these are the columns. I have to preview my data set. So this is going to be my data. Click OK. Next, I'm going to use the unpivot transformation. So with the help of unpivot transformation, what I want to achieve, I want to convert my data set like this. Student ID, student name, course, marks. Okay, double click this. Then I'm going to select C++, Java, networking marks. These are the fields that are there in my course column, networking, Java and C++. Okay, all other fields like student ID, student name and marks, these fields will come. Look, the option is selected as pass through. These fields will be passed through. Okay, now okay, destination column. What is this destination column? And the pivot key value column name. In this case, the pivot key value column will be this one. Pivot key value column will be course. So I'm going to give course as pivot key value. Destination column will be marks. This column will be my destination column. This column course will be my pivot key value. These two fields, these two columns, student ID, student name will come as it is because I have selected pass through. Click OK. This one is done and dusted. Let me just rename this unpivot transformation. unpivot student data. Rename this reading student data. I have to save this. Now the second step is done and dusted. Now next I want to see the result of my unpivot transformation. So what I can do, I can use any destination step, like I can save my result in a CSV file, or I can save my result in a database table, or I can use the multicast step to just view the result. In this case, I don't want to store this data anywhere. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the multicast step just to view the data. In order to enable the view option, you have to click this arrow sign, edit, and then you have to go to the data viewer option, enable data viewer. Okay, then you have to select the columns which you want to view. So I want to view student ID, student name. Along with student ID and student name, I want to view course and marks. So these are the fields that I want to view. Okay, next I have to save my package. The package is saved. Now click execute. Now this is the result which I'm going to get from unpivot transformation. Student ID Alex, okay, C++ 180. This result is similar to this result. Alex networking 200 marks, Alex networking marks 200, Alex Java marks 230, Alex C++ marks 180. Look, Alex C++ marks 180. This result is very much similar to this result. Now click cancel, go to the package execution completed with success. Click here to switch to the design mode, or select the or stop debugging from debug mode. So this is the debug mode. Okay, click this. So this is the concept of unpivot transformation in SSIS. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much and have a great learning.